Dump it all in.
I did it.
I did it. Okay, there's another one.
Another one. You did it.
Good job.
Yeah, next step.
Third egg.
For egg. How about only
3 eggs.
3 eggs? 3 eggs?
Okay. Now we have to mix.
Mix? I want to mix.
Okay, just a minute. Smells good in here. Gavin, what are you making?
I'm making cupcake with sprinkles.
Are you? Okay, what did you do so far? What did you put? What did you do? What did you put in here?
I put paper and I put eggs.
And what else?
Sugar.
Water. And oil.
Oh yeah, oil. I put oil.
How many eggs did you put in there?
I put 3.
Okay, good.
3 eggs.
Okay. Why 3 eggs?
Good job.